Welcome to this new lesson. In this new lesson, we will convert semantic search method that we implemented last time into a REST API in order for later to be able to call it from the web application. So what we will be doing first is that in the terminal here, we will install Express, npm install. Okay, so that installed it. Then I will go and develop the web server. First, I will require the Express package. Then I will import the controller, the semantic controller. Then I will create the Express app using and storing it in the variable app. Then I will actually make this object listen on port 4000. Once listening is started, this console log will be shown to show that we are listening on this port. Then we will add a middleware. Because our request and response contain JSON, we need to define express.json middleware in order to read and write these JSON objects. And finally, we need to define the route. The route will be OpenAI/semantic search, that the URL that will be used in the API, and this is the semantic search function that we have defined in the controller. In fact, we are assuming here that it handles request and response, so we need to go and do that. So let's find that function. It is here. Now we need to change the inputs to request and response. Let's destructure the request body in order to get the search term, the target list, and k. Of course, these three are used in the function with the same name. Finally, instead of returning, we need to handle a response. So that's what we do. Response.status 200 means successful. JSON representation of similarities top k elements. So it will be for the top k elements in the similarities list will be converted to JSON. We should be ready now to test. Let's start the application. It will be Node app. And it is listening now on port 4000. Let's go and test in Postman. So if we come here to Postman, here I have created this endpoint. It's called Semantic Search. We pass information in the body, so that has to be post. Here is the URL, and this is the URL which we specified in the app.js, which is this. And in the headers, we add the content type application JSON because we send and receive JSON. In the body, we actually send the search term, which is a string, the target list, which is a list of strings, and k, which is the number. Of course, I selected row here and made sure that this is JSON. Now I think if I send this response, I should get the result. Let me try. Okay, so let me see the error. Okay, the server didn't work. If I look at the search similarity, you see here I modified these values when I put here. So this should be this search term, and this target list will be here and here, and I guess k is used properly. So let me save. Let me now start the server again. Let's go back to Postman and let's now do send. Okay, so you can see first it was very fast because items are already in the cache. We have got the first one, which is the exact same one. Then we have the other one 93 and the other one 94. Okay, let's make this 10 so we see all of them. Okay, so as you can see, these are the things that are about the rain, and followed by the things that are about the shopping. So that's it. We have converted our semantic search method to a REST API. Next, we will create the web page to access it using ChatGPT.